Okay, so today we're going to do the aseptic technique with use of Media Lab. So we're going to start, I took the metal band off, that's step one. And then I'm going to remove the plastic pipette sterilely from the packaging. And then we are going to use the tryptic soy broth here. This is activity 1 to reactivate our culture. So we have the tryptic soy broth. We are going to rehydrate. So we're going to open this. And then we're going to flame our tube here. Alright, and that is now sterile. So we are going to take 1 milliliter of our tryptic broth here. And we're going to reflame. Recap. Alright. And then we are going to remove the top of this and the stopper. And we're going to add our culture here. One milliliter to it. And then we are going to stop that. Are you pausing? Okay. Alright, so we've waited 30 seconds. We will then remove this top and kind of give a little stir here. Make sure it's all mixed up. Alright. Then we are going to take our culture here and add it to our broth to create our thing. So reflame. And then we will apply our culture to the broth. And then reflame and recap. Alright, so we will now let this sit. It is reactivated and ready to use. Okay, we are now on activity 2. We are going to take our culture and we are going to gently roll it, tap it a little bit, and get it ready to go. Alright, so now we're going to take an inoculating loop out sterilely. And close that back up. Okay. Alright, so our culture is now ready. We are going to remove the top. And we're going to flame. And then we're going to take our inoculating loop to retrieve liquid broth. And then we're going to reflame and recap. Alright. And then we are going to use our nutrient broth, fresh nutrient broth here. And we're going to add our culture. So we're going to remove the top. flame it. And then we're going to add our culture here. And then reflame. And add the cap. And inoculating loop there. All right, so then we're going to dispose of that. And that is activity 2 for our nutrient bath. We're going to leave it open just a little. Okay. All right, now we are on to activity 3. We are going to take a fresh inoculating loop out here. Okay, close that up. All right, and then we're going to again take our culture, reactivated culture tube here, and we are going to check this on. We're going to flame. Remove our culture with the loop. Reflame. And recap. All right, I'm then going to take the tryptic soy agar, remove the top here, flame. And this time I will add the culture, but I will fishtail it across the agar carefully without indenting. Okay, fishtail there. Gonna reflame and recap, leaving it open just a tad. Okay. All right, we are now on to activity 4 of this lab. So I will again, for this one, I would like to use, let's see, an inoculating loop. All right, I'm gonna take our reactivated culture here. Gonna flame. And then dip the culture. Reflame. Recap. All right, and then for this one, I'm gonna very slightly and carefully lift this petri dish top just a little bit here. And then I'm gonna zigzag it across the top. Okay. And then I'm going to flip it over and let it grow.